Alright, this is vlog number 5. Now, this is my cup of wild berry tea, which I'm sipping on. Now, I have a theory that if you put this camera in the microwave, right here, you'll end up with better video. Let's find out. I'll put it in. Alright. There you go. You're in the microwave camera. Alright. Close the door and we'll see what happens. And you could say we're finished. There's Tony. Closed it. Now doesn't that look like much better video? I tell you. I don't even think I should call this vlog 5. Maybe I should call it Whooshy Tony Update 466. No, Tony, don't touch that. Come on, come on. Anyway, that's vlog 5. It's not Whooshy Tony Update 466, it's just vlog 5.